Hey guys, this is one Cuber, and today we're gonna do an example solve here. So it's based on a scramble. Um, Let me scramble it first. So you prime, L prime, L, F prime, and then B L2 B that's D prime, and R prime F U F2 U F L2 D L2 U. Yep. So this is scramble, which is um, U F prime. Let you pause the video first, right? Then U turn is like this. U prime turn is like this. Then I got a dot one. So this one L turn, then L prime, B prime here, and B here. Then B prime goes over the right side. Then D here, D prime here. So R here, R prime here, F here, F prime here, right? So now for this solve, I think I'm gonna do white cross because most of you are beginners, so I will do white cross. So I bring this down. Oh, yeah, correct. I bring this down. Bring this down so that it connected to white, and then when I do a D2, it's connected to here because I know that orange, red are adjacent each other. So here got orange and white, so I just bring this orange connected like that, and so this one too, so I just bring it like that, and a pair of three edges and then last edges. So I will do here to, so I do again, which is B prime, then I'll solve all the cross, right? So the first pair after I saw this one. Now this tree comes that, so I do pair them up, insert, come to here, right? So the second one, I saw these two, so I just can bring them because it's not the same color, pair them up. Then you come over here, Y2 turn, then just insert like that. And these two, all right, good. So these two, I gonna put it like this first, set up this move. Pair them up. Then I'll come over here and insert like that. Just an example solve for beginners actually. And now this bar, I'll move over around here. Then I'll use this insert like that. If you're not so good on beginnings, I can suggest you to use these beginners F12 to solve each byte. Okay? Like example, you solve this first, then you solve this one goes here, which is come over here. Wait. All right. So here, the another side, which is turn over here, do the block, and then come over here, and you insert like that, right? So now the OL using a beginners, so FRU up prime prime F prime. Then I saw this, not the headlight OL, which is goes to left, goes to right, so I do the else. Right. So I got a PLL. So using a PLL, you can do something like this. Go down and then do the headlights algorithm that I taught you, which is A prime. Right? And then you got a U prime here. The anti-clockwise U prime, which is right. So I think that's all. And see you in the next video, right?